Alright. Velkommen til dag 5. Eller kapitel 5, dag 4. Mig der lærer Rust. Jeg ryger mikrofonen lidt tættere på. Lad os se hvordan det fungerer. Ja. Tilbage til vores setup. Vi skal lære lidt om structs. Using structs to structure related data. Ja, så det er også lidt nyt for mig. Jeg vil sige, at det jeg ved, eller det jeg tror jeg ved om structs, er at det er ligesom objekter. Du kan definere nogle forskellige attributter, benytter af dem. Jeg ved ikke om det er ligesom Java-objekter eller Java-klasser, men det er i hvert fald en måde at gruppere nogle typer af en type af data. Ja, men lad os se på det. In this chapter, we'll compare and contrast tuples with struct to build on what you already know and demonstrate when structs are a better way to group data. We'll discuss how to define associated functions, especially the kind of associated functions called methods. Specify behavior. Okay, så det er lidt ligesom klasser. Alright, cool. Lad os se på det. Okay. Structs er ligesom tupler, i det de holder relaterede værdier sammen. Structs are more flexible than tuples. You have to rely on the order of the data to specify or access the values of an instance. Okay. Ja. Alright, så det her det er en struct. Lad os cargo new. To lowercase. Alright. Nice. Se her, hvad der sker. Det er en structure, eller en struct. Ja, ligner sgu lidt en type i TypeScript. Honestly. Let my user. Skal en user. Make as a user. Start Rust analyzeren her. Så vi kan få noget linting. Jeg kan selvfølgelig ikke. Okay, så det virker. Kapitel. Jeg kan printe den her. Hvad? Ikke den lige time parameter. Alright, det ved jeg ikke. Nå, jeg har faktisk rent faktisk fundet... Ja. Quick fix. Alright, no clue. Again. Not be formatted. We create an instance with stating a name. Alright, key value pairs, det giver mening. Okay. Use dot notation, fair nok. Instance is mutable, we can change it. Okay. Gør sådan her, fair nok. Okay, når det hele skal være mutable, fair nok. Rust doesn't allow us to mark only certain fields as mutable. Fair nok. Yes. Okay, måske er det... Hvad er rustian? Den rustianske måde på uden at bruge return værdier eller return keyword. Så det er vel det, de lægger op til ret mange gange, som jeg synes, det er lidt whack. Alright, der er noget shorthand, okay. Det er ligesom JavaScript. Very nice. Very nice. Creating instances from other instances. Struct update. Okay. You also create a new user without the update syntax. Okay. So, It's not red. What do you mean? Oh wow. Ah. Nice. Se at den ikke bliver brugt. Okay, så jeg kan destructure den. The syntax dot specifies that the remaining fields not explicitly set should have the same value as the fields in the given instance. Okay, det er nice. That's pretty great. Så det her skal være til sidst, must come last. Choose to specify values for as many fields you want in order, regardless. Okay. Note that the struct update syntax is equal like an assignment as it moves the data. Example, we can no longer use user 1 as a whole after creating user 2 because string the username field of user 1 was moved on to user 2. If we'd given user 2 a new string, okay, they're both active and signed in. One types of arbitrates the behavior we discussed with. Okay. Det betyder så, at jeg kan gøre det her. Okay. Alright. Fordi at den her, den er brugt, I guess. Den er brugt. Okay, hvis så et felt jeg ikke bruger. Wow, okay, så virker det. Wow, okay. Advanced. Alright, så det betyder, at den her destructuring, den overfører, den mover dens attributter ind til den her anden her. Så eller det gør den kun, hvis det er, at du ikke har det der copy trait. Hvis jeg hvad et andet trait hed. Men det andet trait, hvis du har copy trait, Så bliver den til move. Ja, hele variablen. Og så kan vi ikke bruge den igen. Så kan vi ikke assign den igen. Den done. Finito. Så I guess, hvis man skal gøre det her... Nej, jeg ved faktisk ikke lige helt, hvad for nogle patterns man kan gå ud fra det. Sådan. Alright, using tuple structs without naming fields to create different types. Alright. Jeg kan lave sin egen I wonder. Zero implementations. Oh. Alright. Zero implementations. What are you doing? Destruction. Hvorfor kan jeg ikke gøre det her? Hvad er det her så? Beach. Ja. Jeg tror, jeg skal et eller andet fedt. If lit, what the hell is this? No. range to. Okay, færdigt her. Lad os se. Der er ikke andet senere. You can also define structs that don't have fields. These are called unit-like structs because they behave similarly to a tuple. Structs can be useful when you need to implement trait some type but don't have any data that you want to store in the type itself. Okay, up that. Always equal. And we can get an instance of all. Imagine that later we'll implement this type such that every instance of all is equal to every instance of our type. Okay, så her. Okay, så hvorfor er det vi bruger string i stedet for borrow string? Altså, den så ikke, den hedder så string slice. Den rigtige terminologi her. String slice. This is a deliberate choice because we want each instance of this struct to own all of its data, so that data to be valid for as long as the entire struct is valid. Okay. It's also possible with structs to store references to data owned by something else, but to do so requires use of lifetimes. Lifetimes ensure that the data referenced by a struct is valid as long as the struct is. Let's say you try to store a reference in a struct without specifying lifetimes. But fuck it, det var det vi gjorde før. Okay, et eksempelprogram. Om mig eller mangler der? Ja, men It would be more readable and more manageable to group width and height together. Det giver mening. Alright, så det kan vi så gøre via en tuple. Men det vil sikkert have, at vi laver en struct i stedet for. Tuples don't name the elements, so we have to index thing up. Okay. Så lad os lave en rectangle struct. Here it is. Here it is. Makes a lot of sense. Oh. Nice. You know what? Let's bare gøre det her readable i stedet. Lad os gøre det her. Okay. Alright. Vi har en rectangle her. Vi låner den hernede. Ganger det på, og sådan er det. Mening. Okay. It'd be useful to be able to print an instance of rectangle while we're debugging a program. Ja, det fandt vi ud af, det kan vi så ikke. Primitive types routine to implement display by default. But with structs, the way print should format it's less clear. Do you want commas or not? Okay. Yeah. Rust does include functionality to bring out debug information. Men der skal vi sætte opt-in. Okay. Den her indentation. Derive debug. Det er probably not vigtigt en at huske. Den er formatere det. Så DPG takes ownership of an expression. Prints the file and line number of where the debugger macro call. Press a current result and returns ownership of that value. Prints the standard errors. missing example where we're interested in the value. Wait, what? Uh-huh. Okay, det er sgu interessant. Wow, okay. Alright. Så når den printer det her ud, til lige med hvad det evaluator til, så resonerer den så dens expression igen, eller værdien. Cool. Og vi kan også godt passe en reference ind, så vi ikke mister den igen. Yes, det skulle man. Det skulle man gøre. Ja. Okay. Ja, same. Yes, det her er lidt langsommere, fordi at den shadower. Jeg ved ikke. Det er nogle store omkostninger. Quick and dirty debugging. Alright. Chill. Right. Inner attributes, outer attributes. Okay. Alright. Area function is very specific. It only computes the area of rectangles. It would be helpful to tie this behavior more closely to a rectangle struct, because it won't work with any other type. And let's look how we can essentially refactor this code by turning the area function into an area method. Alright, the method syntax. Oh wow, okay. Methods are similar to functions. We declare them with the fn keyword and a name. They can have parameters and a return value, and they contain some code that's run when the method is called from somewhere else. Unlike function, methods are defined within the context of a struct. Ja, okay. Og den første parameter er altså self. Man, okay. Okay, så det er lidt ligesom Python, men jeg kan godt forstå, hvorfor de gør det. Fordi det ligner lidt, at du kan... okay, så det som den her implementation er til for. Det viser, hvad vi har implementet. Så vi implementer på rectangle funktion area, som låner sig selv som reference, returnerer en unsigned integer, self.width and self, come on, height, Så har vi så lavet endnu en animation. Og det kan jeg i princippet blive ved. Area squared. Square af ting. Nej, det er det bitwise af det. Okay. Left square. Something. Square root. Base power. U32 power. Nu har vi 3 mutations. Det er interessant. Interesting stuff. The at self is short for self. Yeah, and self. Method must have a parent named self of type self. The and. Method can take ownership of self, borrow self mutably. Interessant. Men jeg forstår ikke det helt, altså hvis man gør sådan her, hvad så? Så er det jo done. Var gone. Yep, den eksisterer jo ikke. After move. Ikke det igen. Function takes ownership. Receiver. Hvordan gør man det? Så der her, metoder kan tage ownership af sig selv. Åbenbart ikke. Okay, det kan det godt. Okay, det her forstår jeg ikke. Kan jeg gøre det her? Det er den her. Okay, cool. Den giver mening. Alright. I understand. We choose self here, yeah. Having a method that takes ownership of the instance by using self. Rare, this technique is usually used when the method transforms self into something else and you want to prevent the caller from using the original instance after the transformation. Alright. Main reason for this, for using methods instead of function, in addition to providing method syntax and not having to repeat the type of self in every method's feature, is for organization. Yeah. We're choosing to make the width true. What the fuck? With Boolean? Hvis den har en width. Get us. You can make the field private, but the method public. Alright. Okay. Så når vi kalder en metode, så så laver den selv den her transformation afhængig af hvad metodens signatur er. Så i det her tilfælde er det det samme som det her. I det andet tilfælde her, ja, der er det bare det her. Jeg tror jeg får en error, hvis jeg prøver at gøre det her. Yep, det gør jeg. Yep. What? Hold? Okay, så spørgsmålet er, kan en ene rectangle holde den anden? I want to keep this around. Så jeg kan huske den til senere. Can hold, så den har vi så ikke lavet endnu. Okay, det var tage en immutable borrow. Vi smider en anden en ind. Okay, cool. Så gør det her. Can hold, den tager immutable borrow self, og tager den en immutable borrow rectangle. Og så en boolean. Kan man lære at splitte den her på 2 linjer. Okay, kan man ikke just all functions defined within an implement block called associated functions. We can define associated functions that don't have self because they don't need an instance of the type to work with. Because you don't need an instance of the type to work with. Associated functions that aren't methods are often used for constructors that will return a new instance of the struct. These are often called new, but new isn't a special name and isn't built into the language. Okay, så der er ikke noget, der hedder new, det er bare convention. Så self. Hvad er bedst egentlig? Self. Rectangle. Hvad hedder self? Bedst. Jeg synes for readability sake, jeg synes at det her er bedre. Alright, holder mig til det her, men self, I guess, now I know. This function's namespace by... Okay, the hell? Associated function. Jeg kan også gøre det med andre, what the hell? Self. Whoa, what the hell, kan jeg gøre det? Makes no sense to me. What? Alright. Det er en det her det er sådan static function eller static method hedder det. Alright, so that'll be useful with types, generic types or traits. Very nice. Alright. Summary. Alright. Structs let you create custom types that are meaningful for your domain. By using structs, you can keep associated pieces of data connected to each other and name each piece to make your code clear. In imp blocks, you can define functions that are associated with your type. And methods are kind of associated functions that let you specify the behavior that instances of your structs have. Alright, enums. Alright. Det var kapitel 5. Structures. Pretty interesting stuff. Så det er basically bare klasser. Så fedt. Alright, men så slutter jeg den her. Vi ses næste gang. Hej.